So welcome to my video tutorials. So today I will be demonstrating on CSS padding. So let me briefly introduce what is CSS padding. CSS padding properties are used to generate space around an element content inside of any defined borders. So with CSS padding, we can take full control over the CSS file, where properties for setting the padding for each of the elements are padding top, padding right, padding bottom, and padding left. So I'll be demonstrating on 5 different properties, CSS padding property, how we can play around it with this. So firstly, I will demonstrate using individual padding properties. So I have already created this file, so in order to save our time, so I will directly execute on browser. So this is the CSS padding with individual properties. So this is the top, padding top, right, bottom, and left. So in order to change the see the changes, I can change the value to 80. So let me save and refresh it. So the padding top is slightly going down. I hope you are you can see the changes. Then padding right, let us change this padding right by changing the value. Let us assign 50px, save, refresh. Now you can see the changes. And next I will show how padding can be assigned. So this is shortened properties values with 4 properties. In this 25px indicate top padding, then 50px indicate right padding, then 75px indicates bottom padding, and lastly 100px indicates left padding. So let us execute. It will show the see. Now I have already written in this deep properties. So this is how we can write with the shortened properties. For this we can change the value of the top padding, and let us keep 65, save. Now let us see the changes. You can see the changes how this is. Then can reduce it also to 30 for the right padding. Then for the bottom, let us change to 55px, save. Now you can see the changes. And let us go to the other shortened properties, that is property with 3 values. Okay, let us close this one. 3 values. This padding 25px indicates the top padding, and this 50px indicates right and left padding, and 75px indicates the bottom px. So let us see how it looks like. This is the shortened property of 3 values. So let us change the 75px of the bottom property to 45px, save and refresh it. See, and now you can see the changes. Now let us assign to a previous value, assign 5px, save. Okay, now let us go to shorthand property, second value. In this in this padding, 25px indicate top and bottom padding, then 50 indicates right and left padding. So let us execute. So this is the shorthand property value of second values. So let us change this, change to 45px with the 45px padding of top and bottom. Save it. Then let us refresh. Then you can reduce this right and left padding to 20. Save. Now you can see the changes, how we can play around this with the padding properties. Now at last we'll go with the properties of one value, shorthand properties of one values. So in the one value, all top, bottom, left and right padding will be 25px. So let us execute on browser. See, this is a shorthand property of one values. This all padding top, bottom, left and right will be 25px. So in order to see the changes, I can change the value to 50px. Now refresh it. This all the padding properties, top, right, bottom and left will be changes. It will be changed to same in 50px. Okay, this is the end of the CSS padding.